Welcome to our video on how to get earthworms in your soil. Earthworms are an essential part of any healthy garden ecosystem. They help to break down organic matter, aerate the soil, and improve soil fertility. In this video, we will show you some easy ways to attract earthworms to your garden. One of the easiest ways to attract earthworms to your garden is by adding compost to your soil. Compost is full of nutrients that earthworms love, and it also helps to improve soil structure. So start a compost bin and add the finished compost to your garden beds. Another way to attract earthworms is by mulching your garden beds. Mulch helps to retain moisture in the soil, and as it breaks down, it provides food for earthworms. So add a layer of mulch to your garden beds and let the earthworms do the work. Earthworms also need moisture to survive, so it's essential to keep your soil moist. Water your garden regularly, especially during dry periods, to ensure that there's enough moisture in the soil for the earthworms. Finally, earthworms love diversity, so it's important to plant a variety of plants in your garden. Different plants provide different nutrients and help to keep the soil healthy. So mix it up and plant a diverse range of plants to attract a diverse range of earthworms. And there you have it, some easy ways to attract earthworms to your garden. With a little bit of effort, you can have a healthy and thriving garden ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.